Internet, dem Interagieren mit Freundinnen über Social Media, der automatisierten Auswahl von Bewerberinnen oder auch im Straßenverkehr. Immer mehr Handlungszusammenhänge sind gesteuert, strukturiert oder beeinflusst durch automatisierte Entscheidungen mit oft weitreichenden gesellschaftlichen Konsequenzen. Mit der zunehmenden Relevanz algorithmischer Entscheidungssysteme stellen sich neben demokratiepolitischen Herausforderungen auch Fragen, wie sich Beziehungen zwischen Menschen und Artificial Agents in Zukunft gestalten werden, welche kulturellen Einflüsse Technologien auf Interaktion, Kommunikation und das Zusammenleben ausüben und schließlich wie der Faktor Mensch mit seinen Eigenschaften und Bedürfnissen zentrales Leitbild der Technologieentwicklung sein kann.
Did you ever look at the screen of your computer and observe some really weird behavior, like a system crash or some weird error message? Then you took another look, and suddenly the bug was gone and everything seemed to be normal again? Well, you might have just observed something called a Heisenbug. Heisenbugs are bugs which do not manifest in all system executions, but only under certain circumstances. The project of my thesis is the automatic diagnosis of Heisenbugs. As we can't reproduce the Heisenbug, that's really difficult, because usually we would just run the system, observe it, observe the causes, and that's it. But in case of a Heisenbug, we can't really do this, and that's exactly where our research comes in. We build our research on this topic on rigorous methods, such as formal methods and formal causality analysis. And I'm really convinced that with these efforts, we make an important step towards explaining the complexity of modern-day systems to human users, and that's why I'm really passionate about this project.
The main objective of my project is to propose a solution, a technique, in order to develop knowledge graph-based question answering systems that allow end users to ask their information needs using natural language questions and receive their answers from the knowledge stored in the facts of knowledge graphs. From the commercial perspective, a business can benefit from my work to automatically answer users' questions, and from an individual perspective, knowledge graph-based question answering systems are being accepted by the public who use the Internet.
Jemand aus ihrem Bekannten- oder Freundeskreis oder ihrer Familie, also Eltern, Geschwister, vielleicht sogar ihr Kind oder sie selbst, werden im Internet auf sozialen Medien beleidigt, kritisiert, bedroht, gemobbt. Was denken Sie, ist die korrekte Art und Weise, auf solche Kommentare zu reagieren, um den Hass im Netz nachhaltig zu stoppen? In meiner Masterarbeit sollen deswegen neuere Methoden zum Moderieren solcher Beiträge in den Fokus rücken. Die usergenerierte Gegenrede oder auch Counterspeech wird in dieser Fragestellung immer interessanter und soll Thema meiner Arbeit sein. Mir ist es wirklich ein sehr großes Anliegen, das Leben der ÖsterreicherInnen und der deutschsprachigen Bevölkerung im Internet sicherer zu gestalten.
Automated verification of game theoretic security properties for off-chain protocols. And that long title consists of 3 parts: automated verification, game theory, and off-chain protocols. To us, off-chain protocols is a specific type of blockchain protocols, and we consider it as a set of rules and guidelines to maintain or enable different aspects of blockchain technology. And we use game theory to model such a protocol as a game. So once this is done manually, we want to go further and automate the proving and the verification process.
Some time ago, I started thinking about this one question: where do networks go? Obviously, networks go where people, organizations, companies, or others want them to go. So, why are they deployed in certain places, but not in others? What is the reason behind the digital divide in terms of access between rural and urban areas? For my master's thesis, I therefore want to gain a better understanding of the dynamics of optical fiber network deployment in Austria, in cases where actors other than telecommunications operators deploy these networks. Since demand is such a key question in deployment for telecommunications operators, I want to understand the role of demand and how demand is practiced in this context.
Today, the term IoT is well known not only for experts, with a broad range of applications ranging from smart cities to precision agriculture or industrial IoT, just to name a few examples. However, with a constantly increasing number of devices, we are also faced with a huge amount of generated data. The question here is, do we really need to send all of this data over the internet? By using machine learning for data reduction by data prediction, we can significantly reduce the network traffic. I would like to conduct extensive simulations which I can use to compare different parameter settings, different deployment strategies and update policies in various fields of application and different scenarios. But also this framework should be suitable to actually deploy these scenarios on real hardware so I can compare it to baselines and measure the energy usage.